We are saving the world by staying inside and doing nothing. And I can't think of anything that is more maximum mediocrity than that. We were going to release an episode of our pseudo-news segment called Selectively Informed, but I think we all know what's going on in the news right now. So instead, we will be treating you to something much lighter. I present to you a conversation between myself and Morgan Miller about our favorite types of cheese, over top of the sounds of nature. This is to remind you that there is still a world out there, and it will be right where we left it when this is all over. Enjoy.
You know what has a lot of holes in it, Dave?
What's that?
Swiss Gruyere cheese.
And what is that?
It is the world's best cheese.
According to who?
The judges of the 2020 World Champion Cheese at the biannual International Face-Off in Wisconsin.
What? That happened already? I missed it?
Yeah, you missed your chance to eat all that free cheese.
God damn it.
Look at you. Cheeseless.
You know what? I'm more of a Gouda guy myself.
You know, I love me a sharp cheddar.
Ooh, sharp tail. Maybe some feta?
You fucking swine. I only want to eat brie cheese if it's going to be soft.
Listen, brie from a breezy ass.
Oh, you lactose intolerant over there, son?
No, I'm lactose.
You're lactose over there? He beat out 3,667 other cheeses. Can you even believe how many cheeses?
I can't even imagine that there's that many cheeses in the world.
I feel like there's 5 good cheeses and the rest are shit.
Okay, let's rank them. Okay, what's number 1?
For me, it is in fact cheddar. I like that cheese.
Cheddar? Me? I'm a little different. I'm cheddar jack.
Oh yeah?
Because that's giving me it just enough cream with a little bit of kick to it.
A little spice?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Bet you think bread is spicy.
I think milk is spicy.
Oh.
So that's my number 1. What's your number 2?
Ooh, number 2 favorite cheese. Ah, God. I am quite the fan of brie cheese.
Brie?
Yeah, it's really delicious.
I like American.
Yeah?
Yep. Number 1, pepper jack. Number 2, American. It sounds like we eat cheese in much different contexts.
I mean, I don't get to eat brie all the time because you can't just sit around and eat wheels of brie cheese.
Who says?
I mean,
It's a free country.
my butthole told me so.
Listen, your butthole's sometimes right. You can be right and wrong at the same time. Especially your butthole.
Right and wrong. Right, but oh so wrong. My butthole becomes a musical instrument if I eat cheese, actually.
That makes sense. I really like American just because when somebody asks me what type of cheese I'd like, I say, you know what? I'm feeling patriotic. Let's go American.
Not because it melts real nice.
No, just because I want that joke.
All right, that's fair.
I just go, I'm feeling patriotic. Let's go American.
You know, that's a great line to say.
One lady laughed once, and that is enough to make me say it for the rest of my life forever.
I have jokes like that as well.
Mm-hmm. Like, it worked once, and you're just hoping. You're waiting for that next day it works again. You're chasing that dragon.
It's like that next little hit. Mm-hmm. A little dopamine just, I made someone laugh.
You're like, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, that stupid fucking joke finally worked.
After years of trying it.
Finally got the delivery down.
What's your 3rd favorite cheese?
Ooh, I'm running out of cheeses I know. I'm gonna go Velveeta, maybe, if that even counts as cheese.
I don't think it counts.
Maybe I'll go Swiss, actually. I like Swiss cheese. Probably over American now that I'm thinking about it.
Also, you think you would like the Swiss Gruyere cheese?
I probably would, yeah.
You know, Swiss just tastes weird to me. Like, I can't even describe that flavor. I would say, like, almost sour?
It's kind of tangy.
Tangy. That's the word right there. A little tang. Oh, third is definitely Gouda.
Oh, Gouda. Yeah, that's 4 for me.
Oh, that's a
Mainly
good one.
because I don't get enough exposure to it. I can't have it as my number 1 because I don't see it enough. It would just be a sad life I live.
When I was a teenager, I worked at a museum. And surprisingly, this museum had an excellent cafe. And they made Gouda cheese Sammys. And I'll tell you, that's the best goddamn grilled cheese I've ever had.
That sounds good. Gouda grilled cheese? That's some bougie ass grilled cheese you're having.
Well, they made it because I made it in the kitchen for myself.
Here's wasted. It's like a $20 sandwich.
Suck my dick. I'm just saying, I'm gonna make that sandwich on your dime. And you can't stop me because it's in the past.
Suck a dick, museum. Morgan got over on you.
One $20 sandwich? Thank you.
Okay, I got one more because I know I did 4.
Okay. I think I did 3 at least.
I'm gonna do Velveeta if I haven't put it on there already.
All right.
Yeah, because I what is it? Pepper Jack. Pepper Jack,
American,
American,
Velveeta.
Velveeta,
Gouda.
and Swiss.
That's good. You
good
said Swiss at some point.
In no order. It's the top 5 depending on my mood
I understand.
and context. What about you?
I really like feta. It goes on like a nice salad. It's like tangy in a different way. I like that about it.
Do you like goat cheese?
No, I think it's sweet and gross.
Okay.
Do you like goat cheese?
I don't really think it tastes like anything, especially not cheese.
Yeah, it tastes like a little bit of yogurt
Yeah.
that I maybe wasn't supposed to eat.
Yeah, that's another. You make a great point. Goat cheese doesn't sound like you really should be eating it.
It sounds like it's for the goats.
Yeah. It's like, did we really need to do goat cheese? Did we? It's fine if we tried it and it didn't work out. There's no need for it to get past that stage, but it did.
If you like goat cheese, good for you. You can have all the goat cheese.
I'll see you at preschool.
That was all just trash, but I like doing it.
Stay safe, everybody.